Reviving giants, a new era of scientific discovery. We live in a remarkable time, a time where the impossible is becoming possible. Extinct animals, once lost to the sands of time, are being brought back to life. This scientific resurrection is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is a reality, and it is happening right now. One of the most ambitious projects in this new frontier of science is the revival of the DireWolf. Remembered for their imposing size and powerful presence, dire wolves roamed North America during the late Pleistocene epoch. They vanished from the Earth thousands of years ago, leaving behind only skeletal remains and tantalizing glimpses into their past. But now, thanks to the groundbreaking work of Colossal Biosciences, these apex predators are making a comeback. Using cutting-edge technology and a deep understanding of genetics, scientists have pulled dire wolves back from the brink of extinction. Decoding the past DNA and the dire wolf. The journey began with ancient DNA, the blueprint of life itself. Fragments of dire wolf DNA were carefully extracted from well-preserved fossils. This genetic code, millions of years old, held the key to unlocking the secrets of this extinct predator. Scientists used a revolutionary gene editing tool known as CRISPR to piece together the ancient DNA. CRISPR allows for precise modifications to an organism's genetic makeup. Think of it as a molecular scalpel capable of cutting and pasting genetic information with incredible accuracy. With the dire wolf genome mapped out, the next step was to find a suitable surrogate. Scientists chose a close relative of the dire wolf, the grey wolf. Through a process called cloning, a fertilized grey wolf egg was implanted with dire wolf DNA. This groundbreaking procedure resulted in the birth of the first dire wolf pups in millennia. Welcome to the world, the new pups on the block. The arrival of these pups marked a pivotal moment in scientific history. These weren't just clones, they were living, breathing representatives of a species long gone. The pups, born in a controlled environment, possessed the characteristic physical traits of their ancestors. They had thick fur, powerful legs, and the iconic large teeth that made dire wolves such formidable hunters. Raising these pups, however, came with unique challenges. A high-security reserve was built specifically to house the animals. This habitat provided ample space for the wolves to roam and interact, mimicking their natural environment as closely as possible. A team of experts, including veterinarians, animal behaviorists, and geneticists, closely monitored the pups' development. Every aspect of their lives, from their diet to their social interactions, was meticulously documented and studied. A new dawn for ancient predators' ethical considerations. The revival of the dire wolf has ignited a firestorm of ethical and ecological debate. Some experts hail it as a giant leap forward in conservation, a way to restore balance to ecosystems that have been disrupted by human activity. Others urge caution, arguing that bringing back extinct species could have unforeseen consequences for existing flora and fauna. The potential impact of de-extinction on current endangered species is a topic of great concern. Some argue that the resources dedicated to reviving extinct animals could be better spent protecting the species we still have. Others believe that de-extinction technologies could hold the key to saving critically endangered animals from the brink. The debate is far from over. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, guided by both scientific rigor and a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. The future of de-extinction, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on it.